Neck, shoulders, wrists, upper back, and middle back. So kind of like everything upper, but then going.
Yeah, well, the past stuff was like the lower back and stuff. I messed up my sciatica like 2 or 3 years ago. Okay. And I got it worked on, and it doesn't really come back. But my shoulder just been like nonstop.
What do you feel like on a day to day?
Like reaching out to the side, like this is about it right here. I can't like if something goes in the back seat, like I can't reach for it.
Really?
Yeah. I had an accident where I fell on it. Okay. And it hurt for a little while, then it stopped. Yeah. Then about 2 years ago, it was January, so I was going to do New Year's resolution, start working out again. So I started off with some sit-ups, did like 30 sit-ups, and the next day, I couldn't even move my shoulder. It was like, and it really hurt for a long time, and it finally started, coming back. And then it stopped hurting for a while, and then it started hurting again. It's just weird, it's been steady for a while now.
Now, is it just that side? Is it both?
It's funny, it hardly ever is here, but like, I don't know if driving today on the way here got me like just tensed up or something, but yeah, this side is the one that really bothers me the most.
Okay, how's like going overhead?
Oh, actually, if I lay down and put my head up, it relieves my pain. Okay.
So you'll get pain relief with bringing that arm up and, okay. Yeah. How's movement in the neck?
I can feel it from like right to my shoulder to like here.
So even like if you're moving your neck, you're feeling it.
Yeah. Well, no, my shoulder pain goes to my neck. My shoulder pain goes all the way
here and coming down.
Yeah. And then, but my neck is kind of hurts on this side right here. It's kind of stiff. Okay. And I go to a chiropractor like once a month. Okay. And it's like in and out. Yeah. And it's kind of. It works for a little while.
But at least, like you said, the lower this. Right. So at least with that, it's been helping with the lower. Just it hadn't done anything for up top for you. Right. Okay. Well, let's change that today. All right. Go face down on the table for me. 1/4 inch shorter. Yeah, I already feel tightness through here, but. Alright, as I palpate down, just let me know if there's any pain or tenderness. Yeah, I feel the neck's rotated for sure. Even like this is actually really tight right here. No pain with any of this.
No, not right now.
Okay. A little bit?
A little tiny bit, not much.
Okay. Granted, it's not like I'm pushing it.
Right.
Hard.
Like my shoulder doesn't hurt right now because it's just being like I can stick a pillow under my armpit and it'll relieve my pain as well.
Gotcha. And I'm going to start right up top here.
pretty good.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, bring your arm up. One little one there. There it was. Yeah, you can relax your arms. Good. I'm gonna do a little bit of soft tissue work in the traps up here.
I feel like that bone kind of sticks up a little bit right there, more than. Feel that, or is it?
No, it's just just really, really tight through here. Yeah, traps are like pushing into almost a brick wall. Go face down again for me. Still a little bit short there. Yeah, that's right. Gotta get these moving just a little bit better. Better, but still about a millimeter short there. Okay. Flip onto your back for me. Relax, relax this leg again. Okay, relax again. There it is. Relax this way.
There it is.
You ever been decompressed before?
No, I haven't.
Alright, so first time getting the wire strapped on. Rest.
Wow. Yeah, I felt that go all the way down.
Did you?
Like halfway down my back, yeah. It's pretty good.
It gets you. That initial pull, and you're not ready for it, and then you just,
And I've had the table drops done before, and it's like I felt like compared to that, like they were like not wanting to hurt you or something. Like you were really felt like you were doing something with it, you know.
Yeah. When I do the drops, my goal with all my adjustments are to get things to actually move.
Right. I think I've gotten like one drop similar to that before. That was it. And it's always like in the middle of the back, you know, they push hard down, but normally, those are definitely a lot more.
Yeah, I'm a little bit more aggressive with my adjusting. Mm-hmm. You got to realize to actually move. Like some of the, like, it's one thing, moving a cervical vertebra is easier, but trying to get like a lumbar or a thoracic, there's so much muscle and tissue, there's a lot that you actually got to move just to get something to go. So you got to put a little bit of force, a little isn't going to do nothing. Mm-hmm.
I can feel the difference. It's still there, but it's definitely better.
Good. Sit, face me this way. Yeah, I'm gonna check. So like moving that arm.
Mm-hmm. Yep. I can do pretty good getting back there. It's still a little tight when I get right about there, but like it's definitely, like before I felt it like probably here, but I can get. I mean, I can move it. It just hurts.
Correct. So at least now it's going back further before it's starting to hurt. Okay.
Yeah, the big difference. That's wow. Yeah.
Yeah. So at least the first part got more structurally, getting you kind of back into alignment. Then just had to work a little bit of soft tissue directly on that shoulder to just kind of get it, being able to go back at that a little bit further without hurting you there.
But yeah, it worked. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Appreciate
Definitely.
it.